Imagine a place where luxury meets history, where the Mediterranean Sea kisses the shores of a tiny yet world-renowned principality. Welcome to Monaco. Nestled along the Côte d'Azur, Monaco is a jewel of the French Riviera, just a stone's throw from Nice and the Italian border. Monaco's fame far exceeds its size, thanks to its luxurious resorts, mild Mediterranean climate, and the world-famous Place du Casino in Monte Carlo. The principality's history is rich and storied, with evidence of Stone Age settlements and a lineage of rulers from the Grimaldi family dating back to 1297. Monaco's refusal to impose income taxes has led to international scrutiny, but it remains a haven for the wealthy and a hub for international business. Tourism is Monaco's lifeblood, drawing visitors to its beaches, boating facilities, and the glamorous Monte Carlo Rally and Grand Prix de Monaco. The principality's government is a constitutional monarchy, with legislative power shared between the prince and the National Council. Monaco's diverse population includes French, Italian, Swiss, and Belgian citizens, with only a fifth claiming Monegasque descent. Cultural landmarks abound, from the Roman Catholic Cathedral to the Oceanographic Museum and the historic Monte Carlo Casino. Monaco is not just a place, it's an experience. Dive into its opulence, history, and charm. Monaco, where luxury meets legacy.